Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your Gt5 and phone are ready. Charge the watch to at least 50%, enable Bluetooth on both devices, and open Huawei Health. Once done, pair the Gt5 if it's not already connected. The app guides pairing automatically. Make sure you grant location and storage permissions so maps and files can download. Finally, confirm the watch firmware and Huawei Health app are up to date. This ensures offline maps features appear and download correctly. Next, navigate inside Huawei Health to devices, pick Gt5, then find Maps or Offline Maps and choose your region. Tap Download and decide whether to restrict to Wi-Fi to save mobile data. The app shows progress and file sizes. Once the download finishes on your phone, synchronize the watch. Use the sync button or wait for automatic sync. This transfers map tiles to the Gt5 so you'll have local navigation data. Make sure you leave both devices connected until synchronization completes. Finally, on the Gt5, open the Maps app to view offline tiles, set a route, or start an outdoor activity. The watch uses onboard maps without phone data. If tiles don't appear, resync Huawei Health or clear the app cache on your phone and re-download the region. This fixes corrupt files. If the watch won't get a GPS fix, toggle location on the phone, restart both devices, and try again. These steps resolve most sync and signal problems, so offline navigation works reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.